Hi mom, hi dad, friends, people randomly bumped into that video for a reason. This is the channel of Monsieur Wine, the channel that speaks about wine on YouTube. My name is Samuel, I come from France. I've been working in the wine industry for 6 to 7 years now, and I'm living here in Brussels in Belgium. It's in Europe for people watching overseas, and I've come to you to talk about wine. It's pretty simple. It's inspired from a book I used to love reading when I was a kid. In French it's called Monsieur, Madame. I think in English it's called Mr. and Miss, like Mr. Happy or Miss Grumpy. Long story short, I wanted a name and a concept that is making wine as fun as a child's play. Well, there's the simple answer and the complicated one. The simple one is, why not? The complicated one is, I would say, related to 5 main reasons. Reason number 1, YouTube is the place to share your passion. I'm passionate about wine. Reason number 2 is YouTube and wine equals to 0. Well, almost 0. There's not a lot of content about wine on YouTube. I guess all what's available, it's either old documentaries, old videos that are not very helpful for people starting and beginners, things that are weird, like if you type vin in French, you'll find a lot of videos about Vin Diesel. Reason number 3, this project, Monsieur Wine, has been in my mind for about, I think, 3 years now. And I have waited and waited and waited until things would be perfect in my mind and on the paper, but the truth is you can never be sure of your idea. I guess this video is the leap of faith for me. I'm super excited about people finding it useful as beginners and as people trying to get interesting in wine, but that's a kind of a new challenge for me, and I'm happy to do it now. Reason number 4, the world is changing and the world of wine is changing too. But in a very weird way, we're not using videos to share the stories, the passion about the people working in this industry, but I want to bring my part as a professional, not an expert. That's the whole idea behind this project. Last reason, and reason number 5, this is going to be a wonderful excuse to drink wine. Open the bottle, meet people working in the wine, travel the world, and hopefully I'll be learning with you along this journey. More than a YouTube channel, Monsieur Wine is my challenge. It's getting out of my comfort zone, expressing my underlying desire of creating something that makes work and my passion and things I like in life. And also for me, there was trying something new and bringing a new project to life. With this channel, I really hope we can grow a community of wine lovers, curious newbies. I'll succeed with this channel if I can give you an emotion about wine, if you can understand it without being an expert, if you can learn about it without even noticing, if you can just have fun with it through all those videos. Get out of your home, go to a wine bar, experience it, or go to your wine store and buy a bottle and share it with your friends. And I guess we'll just see how things build on themselves. Well, the next video will be posted in a couple of weeks or so. I'll be introducing a new concept to you guys. Spoiler alert about grapes. Also, I'll try to make content as often as I can, but I know how frustrated it can be when you like something, you like the guys, and is only posting a video every couple of months. I'm currently recording this video at home. I'll try to bring you out with me, going on the field to meet the people in wine, hopefully maybe taking you to another country one day. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much for all the guys that stay until the end. It means a lot to me. If you want to be supportive with this channel, you know the drill. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment, share on your social media. Of course, you can also find Monsieur Wine on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All the links are below in the description. And until next time, have some great wines. Whoa guys, don't leave right now. I almost forgot, this is a wine channel, right? So I think we need wine. And guys, to celebrate the first video of the channel, I'm gonna open this baby. A wine from Alsace, which is a region in northeast of France. A wine made from Riesling, one of my all-time favorite grape varieties. It's made by Maurer, and the wine is called Lerchenberg. I'm sorry if my pronunciation for Alsatian people is not correct. It was made in 2016, probably going to be good. to be honest. I'm gonna show you quickly how the label looks. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful wine. Cheers to you guys at home. Open a bottle of Riesling for me. And one more thing before we go, I don't have any profile picture. We'll make a picture for the channel and for the Instagram and everything. Ready? Go! Hopefully the picture will look good. Until then, have some great wines, guys. Bye.